Dr. Ashwini Karansgaonkar. I am an ophthalmologist and my subspecialty is vitreoretinal diseases. I practice in Mumbai. Healthy eyes. Who doesn't want healthy eyes? Healthy eyes, we mean eyes having vision 6, and 6 without glasses and eyes which are disease free. Considering the present scenario of COVID-19 and the subsequent lockdown, we ophthalmologists are faced with new challenges. In our clinics, we see lot of adults and children presenting with refractive errors. In children, we see more of myopia, and children who have myopia are progressing alarmingly. Progressive myopia in early childhood can present with skewed eyes or squint, and further on with lazy eyes. One more danger of progressive myopia is retinal degenerations, retinal detachment, leading to blindness. The risk factors for myopia are mainly genetic. If parents have number or a refractive error, the chances of their children having refractive error is more. Secondly, diseases like retinopathy of prematurity do lead to progressive myopia. And the third factor is near work, which is the factor which is the leading factor in the present scenario. More of the scenarios like online school and work from home culture. Because of lockdown, we can't go out, so sole entertainment is television. So again, we are bogged down to the screen. So more of screen time is the leading cause in today's scenario for the progressive myopia. So amongst these risk factors, the only modifiable risk factor is the screen time or the near work time. Office time and the school time cannot be modified. So entertainment time is the only time which can be modified. Television time should be cut down.